before we get started, subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Okay. Easy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, remember, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're opening another. Oh wow, I don't like doing videos like so. It's I Spy series. Yes!
Come on.
Okay. I'll calm down, guys. Pink and gold one, guys. See? Pink and gold. So it's. Oh, I need to. Something's wrong with my nose. It's an A and something and a pyramid. She's a diva.
She's a diva like you?
Yep.
You're a diva.
No, I'm not. I'm not evil. Okay, I guess I am. A little. Okay, give me guys, you never give me compliments. Give me I don't know how to spell.
Is it?
Hashtag, no, it's not heart hashtag. Is it, is it nope. Let's try doing the codes. Oh.
We finally got one code. That's
Yeah.
a hard, tricky thing.
Yeah, I know. Wait. Is that again?
You gotta get the codes right to do it, huh?
Oh, did it again. This is very big. This doll is the worst. I opened her and she looks ugly, so I'm giving it to Lovey. So.
Do you know what her name is?
No.
I'll let him tell you.
You want her, Grandma? I mean, Lovey. See. Oh, it's her outfit. Ooh. It's a bathing suit. Wait, ow.
Let's see their outfits.
This is her outfit. She has a bathing suit. And she has two clothes, so you can change her in a bathing suit. Or, see? She has a bathing suit.
Yeah, her name's Boogie Babe.
Boogie Babe.
Boogie Babe.
Hey guys, tell me in the comments if you pick your nose, because I do a lot.
Oh. Do you think other kids pick their nose?
Yeah, totally. Floppy doodle. Now just get back on these pillows to make me look high. Higher, not high. Gee. No, don't see him. Secret. Oh, no.
Sha.
It's her little wristband she has on.
Sha, boy.
Okay. So I got her. She's fancy. My grandma always wants to show off stuff, but really, we're not supposed to show off Grandma.
Just show the doll.
Her name is Boogie Babe. Thanks for watching my channel. Have a good day and click the subscribe button if you forgot. Love you.